I wasn't gonna film when I went to Adamstown Antique Mall. I normally find something really ridiculous for myself here, but as soon as I walked in the door, I saw multiple things that I was like, wow, this has to be shared. So I'm going back in with my camera. First off, I've never seen a stiff Santa. That's so epic. And look at this. Over here, I have another Krampus. So crazy cool. But this little cat perfume bottle. Betty Boop's cat perfume. That's at $165. That is so freaking cool. But like also the big chicken head. What? I feel like that might come in handy one day. Pee-wee. Oh my gosh, look at all these crazy fun costumes. Wow. What are these feather things? Keeps them flying. That's great. I love the graphics on all this stuff. This is bizarre. What is this? It's an old feather duster. Feather flowers. Wow, how fun is that? Oh my gosh. It's really, really ridiculous. I love it. Look at that Napoleon bisque doll. I feel like Napoleon is gonna be the theme for the day. Oh my gosh, I love this dress. It's gorgeous. Let's see, what else? Gosh, they have such special stuff here. Crazy Cheshire Cat. And like, look at this coat. Fabulous. There's a cat hiding back here. It's got crazy eyes. I think it's like a tea light or something. 24. Yeah, it's a lamp base. Now the Scotty dog planter over here has my attention. That's different. $30. It looks like this booth is rearranged. This is amazing. Wow, really cool. The spoon heads. Oh man. Yeah, it's really hard to focus in here. There's so much going on. What is that head? It's plastic. That's cool too, this dancer. Oh my God, shut the front door. Dude, what?
That's fabulous for a girl.
Okay. I think it's for the set. How much is it gonna be?
Good luck with everything.
$129. Trio. $130. 20% off for 3. Let me do some math. This is it. You guys, don't say I don't spend up for stuff. I'm getting them. I'll probably sell 2 and keep 1. Now, while I'm back here, I saw a couple things on the way that I missed. 42, God, that's beautiful. And it's signed. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at this. Made in Poland. 42, that is so cool. Okay, but also I'm obsessed with the Funhouse mirror. And like, look at the Dirt Devil clock. How great, what is that material? That's so weird. Look at these lamps, my God. How amazing are those? For the pair too. Gosh, this place makes me crazy. What is this? Marble Art Deco cat bookend. $40 and 20% off. Dude, that is so cool. I also can't help but notice these candlesticks. Those are incredible. I love the ormolu on it. This cat bookend, though, it's super heavy, but it's super unique. It comes to $32. I don't know, man. That's really different. This is the booth. Oh, this is where I inevitably find something I do not need. Look at this. This is amazing. The prices are steep, but it's fair because their stuff is insane. Little chalkware. Oh no, it's plastic. It's celluloid. How cool. It's a little soap holder. Doll. Man. Look at this monkey. Amazing. The Santa. The snowman. Really fantastic. So different. Oh my gosh, look at this cat. It's probably very expensive. I have to know though. $225. Yeah. Fantastic though. I love the rabbit hanger too. Now I love these and I love those, but that is something you really don't see every day. Now in here, look at that goat. And Grumpy and Snow White. Wow. Don't scratch me, scratch your mother. The monkey. Wow. I mean, this is what it's all about right here. Look at this crazy doll. Oh man, they've brought so much stuff in. It's insane. What's going on underneath this? Incredible dolls. Look at that mermaid. The sailors. Oh my gosh, Puss in Boots. Wait, 15% off? They never give a discount. That's awesome. Oh, so cool. Not that it makes like a difference for much. 75. Wait. 75? Wow. That seems reasonable for what it is. And over here, another little mermaid. That one's 28. Look at this crazy thing. It's cast metal. Oh, this. The candlesticks. Yeah, wow. How much are the candlesticks? 95. Chrome. Another nude. Oh my gosh. These. They're so great. Yo, what? Dude. It's sold, but like... Dude, what? That's insane. Wow, I'm kind of jealous. Snowman. Yeah, that's crazy. Dude, what is this? Metal dove with glass bud vase. Well, if that isn't weird, I don't know what is. It's weird because, like, it looks like it's made, like the dove is new and the bud vase and the wire is older. So it's kind of like a smorgasbord of age, but it's really different. Works well together too. It's really cool. I'm kind of tempted. Here's a little pocket of stuff I love. The nudes. 18, 20%. These are Japanese, I believe. Yeah, made in Japan. Not bad at all. And then over here, $4 each, broken ear. And this one's 14. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I was gonna say that's really cheap. And then look at this. It's a little Rose Lane. Yep, Rose Lane owl, $8. I'll pick that up. Wow, talk about fabulous. That's an amazing piece. It's a really large size. So cool. 85, super fair. And look at those lamps, 35 for the pair. Oh my gosh. Well, another one. Here, look, that Art Deco ashtray. Does that say $28? That's insane. All right, so I went to grab the nude ashtray, which came to like $25 after the discount. It was chrome. It's so cool. The lady talked me into getting the giant carnival doll. They would do 10%, and it's just such a unique piece. But there's one last thing that's bothering me. It's this. It's got a certain look to it. I think it's something special. It's the way the cat is posed, too. I think at $32, I won't lose money. So, oh my gosh, but also Santa. Sold.
Oh.
Well, the moral of the story, guys, is sometimes life's too short not to just have fun.